Oh, here I'm throwing my net. You know, I haven't pulled anything up yet. But maybe this will be the try. Oh shit. Cut. So that was a good throw. Now I'm gonna let it sink to the bottom for a few seconds. And hopefully it landed on a fish. You want to make the initial pull real quick. Alright, scoop them up. We're gonna see if you caught anything. But I did it. Alright. Throw it again. There you go. Take this. I take it like this. And then grab it down here. Come up to this nice little spot I found it right here, you know. Take it. And you want it to spread out when you throw it. That's the real goal. And you want it to land in a good spot. You don't want it to land on the bank right here. And when I'm throwing it from somewhere like this, I don't want it to go too far either. So I want it to be enough rope for it to sink to the bottom, which it had. So this is a good place to throw. Good net. Well, let's see. This is close to the bank, and then it'll go. Ooh. And yet again, no fish. But, well, as they say, go fish. So we take this, and we bring it back over here. This is a great spot.
What's the hook?
Right. This is a moving body of water. So there's going to be fish swimming through all the time. You can sit here like this and throw in the same spot. And yeah, if the fish is swimming through and it's nearby, it's going to scare them off. But that fish is also just passing by anyway, so it wasn't going to be here for long. There's other fish up there. The water's flowing this way. It's flowing essentially from west to east.
Let's go in the other way. Look at that turd.
What turd?
Down there.
I see a turd.
Right there, going that way.
Yeah. Well, hopefully we don't catch any of those.
A turd? Oh. I don't know if it's a turd, maybe. I mean...
I think I caught a stick.
Cool.
Wait, there's a couple little minnows it looks like in there. Are they gonna make the pool? Or are they sticks?
Just beat him with the rock for practice. All right. Well, fishing. This is the new.
Got a stick.
It's the new show. It's Fishing with Alex.
Slab City fishing.
Thank you for watching. No, to be
Catch
honest,
one tomorrow.
this is it's just like for me the panhandling and the other stuff are just like sales. You know, you got to just keep trying and not give a shit. You can't be discouraged.
Look, I caught a fish last time.
So you're all like hyped.
Yeah, but I'll catch one next time, or maybe.
Now I'm discouraged.
Maybe.
One more shot.
Maybe we'll catch one right now.
Let's do it. One more, and then we're gonna say goodbye. See us next time on Slab City Fishing. For real. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that one looked good, dude.
They all look good.
I think they got one.
I think we got another one.
Got
Another stick.
Yep. All right. Thank you for watching.
It was a stick.
Thank you for taking me down here, Alex. I was just gonna sit there and do nothing. So honestly, thank you, bro. Peace.
Oh, dude, it's a good time. Next time we'll catch fish.
Yeah, I'll try to. Yeah, be more enthusiastic next time. See ya.